I am Sameera Fathima from grade 12, here to narrate the famous monologue by Maya Angelou, Still I Rise. You think you can write me into silence, reduce me to a footnote, bury me beneath the weight of your doubt, but every insult, every dismissal, every chain you forge has become the very fuel that lifts me higher. Did you think your laughter could crush me? That your fear of scorn could turn my spirit into dust? No. I carry the rhythm of my ancestors in my walk, the pride of people in my smile. Where you expect defeat, I bring dance. Where you predict shame, I bring joy. I rise out of history's shadows, out of wounds meant to last. Out of fear you hope would bind me, like the sun that refuses to set. Like the tide that keeps returning, still I rise. So, watch me turn your mockery into music, your hatred into hope, your darkness into dawn. I'm more than your labels, more than your limits. No matter what you do, no matter how heavy the storm, still I rise. Thank you.